artists. Come along with me, let's draw Super Pocoyo. Pocoyo is putting on his superhero cape and getting ready for action. What kind of superhero powers do you think he has? Don't forget to check out our coloring books on Amazon for more creative fun. You can find it by searching for Pinky Art. Let's have fun drawing together. Super Pocoyo is ready to save the day. What do you think his superpower is? Maybe super speed? The word superhero comes from super, great, and hero, brave person. Pocoyo is both. Super Pocoyo always helps his friends. Being kind is the best superpower of all. What would your superpower be? Superheroes sometimes have secret hideouts. Where do you think Super Pocoyo would keep his? Some superheroes wear masks, but Pocoyo's bright smile is all he needs. Do you like how Super Pocoyo's outfit is turning out? What if he had a superhero logo? What would it be? Pocoyo looks strong and brave. Can you pose like a superhero too? Are you excited to color Super Pocoyo? What colors will you use? We're all done with our sketch. Yay! Super Pocoyo is ready for action. Now it's time to color. What colors will you choose for his superhero outfit? Grab your crayons or markers and let's start coloring. Did you know the first superhero comic was made in 1938? That's a long time ago. Super Pocoyo might have super strength. Do you think he can lift an elephant like Elly? Many superheroes have symbolic colors. Pocoyo's blue outfit makes him stand out like a true hero. What color would you add? Did you know superheroes don't need powers to be great? Helping others, being brave, and never giving up makes anyone a hero, including you. Super Pocoyo has a big smile. Can you give your superhero a happy face too? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Pocoyo's superhero cape makes him look extra powerful. Did you know many superheroes wear capes, like Superman and Batman? Are you having fun drawing with us? What's your favorite part of the drawing so far? Pocoyo's cape? His big superhero smile? Super Pocoyo looks ready to zoom off to save the day. Where do you think he's going? Good job, friends! Our drawing is finished. Super Pocoyo looks brave and ready to save the day. Now it's your turn to color. Don't forget our coloring books on Amazon are full of fun pictures for you to color. Thank you for drawing with me, and I'll see you next time.